Hey friends, before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to Topictrick, where we break down complex programming concepts in simple, easy to understand ways. If you're just starting out with REXX, this channel is made for you. Today, we're talking about something every REXX programmer needs to know: control structures. Let's start with the if statement. This lets your program make a decision based on a condition. For example, if age greater than or equal to 18, then say you are eligible. So if the value of age is 18 or more, it will print you are eligible. Otherwise, it just skips that line. Now let's look at the select structure. It's kind of like a menu. It checks several conditions and chooses the one that matches. Here's how it looks. Select when grade equal A, then say excellent when grade equal B, then say good. Otherwise, say try again end. So if the grade is A, it prints excellent. If it's B, it says good. And if it's anything else, it tells you to try again. Now let's move on to loops, starting with the do-while loop. This one repeats a block of code as long as start a condition is true. Here's an example. Num equals 1, do while num less than or equal to 5, say num equals num plus 1 end. So what's happening here? We start with num equal to 1. Then the loop checks if num is less than or equal to 5. If that's true, it prints the number, adds 1 to it, and checks again. It keeps looping until num goes over 5. Now let's check out the do until loop. It's pretty similar, but this one keeps running until a condition becomes true. Take a look. Num equals 1, do until num greater than 5, say num equals num plus 1 end. Here, the loop starts at 1 and continues printing and adding 1 to num until num becomes greater than 5. So again, it prints numbers from 1 to 5. The main difference is this. With do while, the condition is checked before the loop starts. With do until, it's checked after. That means a do until loop will always run at least once. So to wrap things up, control structures like if, select, do while, and do until help your REXX program make decisions and repeat actions. They're what give your code real logic and flow. If this made things clearer for you, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to Topictrick for more REXX tutorials made simple.